Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make seafood with Packchoi and Thai style sauce. For Thai style sauce, I'm going to use coriander, garlic, ginger, green chili and lime. And we have got Packchoi and mixed seafood. Let's go and cook. Put your mixed seafood in a pan and pour the boiled water from the kettle. And put your Packchoi to be caramelized in here. You don't need to cook seafood for a long time as they are becoming rubbery, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.